Looking elegant does not mean spending thousands on designer clothes. Sometimes all you need is a few well chosen pieces and smart styling. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cesar and I style for you. So today I am going to show you how you can build a very classy and elegant wardrobe just using a few smart pieces. And the best part, all the things I will be styling today are super affordable. I found all of them on Snapdeal's birthday sale. Maybe the sale is end now, but they are still super affordable there. I will be attaching all the links in the community post. Let's make some classy outfits. So, starting with the very basic tip, firstly, you need to have a few striped t shirts in your closet. For example, this, or this, or this. Let's style them. In the first place, I will be styling this green striped t-shirt. I have bought this particular skirt to pair it with this one. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks great, and this look proves that matching sets can look incredibly classy when you style them right. I have paired them with sneakers just to give that ancient European golf girlies vibe, and as you can see, a simple t-shirt can also be transformed in a classy outfit just by right styling. Let's style the next one. For second outfit, I will be styling this t-shirt and I have bought this particular pants. It is a sort of trouser pant. There's a elastic behind it, or starting may we have this pattern, and it also has pockets. So let's try it and see how it looks. Again, they look so good and so much put together. I am in love with this one. This outfit is giving a vibe of one of those outfits when you want effortless styling but still look put together and yet classy. You know, those simple casual walks or something but still looking classy. So, you can go for things like this. It looks so cute. I have again paired it with sneakers only because we have this pant sort of thing and we will keep it simple. So let's style the next one. For this third t-shirt, I have styled it with a simple white jeans to make it look polished. It is giving me, those tennis girl vibes. I have paired it again with the sneakers only to keep it simple this look because this one is a very good example of how minimal outfits can look very chic at times when you style right. Tell me in the comments, did you like all these casual ones? So now moving to the formals. For a semi-formal sort of event, you can style something like this, a top and a matching trouser with it to give proper, clean, classy and elegant vibes indeed. I have styled it with these black sandals which I have got from Snapdeal only, and it looks so polished together. I love it. So we are just dressed with our last outfit, I guess. Let me show you it real quick. For this last particular outfit, I cannot say it is formal, I cannot say it is casual, but it is elegant. We will be styling this particular shirt, which I had from Snapdeal already, with this very pretty and very Pinteresty and elegant skirt. I was so obsessed with the black one, so I had to get my hands on this blue one as well. And this is what I call a proper elegant, ancient European vibes, or whatever you can say. Proper brunch date. I just have no words for it. I love it so much. It is, uh, how can I show you? Wait a second. It is a midland skirt which comes see यहाँ तक थोड़ा सा नीचे से नीचे and I have paired it with my white heels only to give proper it girl vibes. I mean, this outfit is a proper statement piece. Girls, you have to get your hands on this one. अगर और कुछ नहीं तो it is a must try. I would advise you. It is a definite try from my side, and if I recommend personally. And I had ordered this hat too from Snapdeal for my last haul. So I guess it goes really well with this one to give. I don't know what vibes you can imagine. I loved it so much. So, guys, this was all for today. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, you have to comment which one was your favorite outfit and which one will you definitely gonna try. I'll meet you soon. And if you have any suggestions, you can drop your comments. I always welcome them and I love them. Till then, bye bye, besties. Follow for more such stuff.